Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a bootstrap form that will accept input values from the user, and then it will allow us to submit, and then using $post in PHP it will display whatever values that is being given by our user to another page. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So basically guys, we will have a walkthrough so that we can make our tutorial video concise and direct to the point. Okay, so basically I have two files, index.php and welcome.php. So let us assume that some Apache web server is already running in our local machine, on our computer that we are using. Okay, let's go back. The first one is index.php. So I'm using BootStrap, CDN, Content Delivery Network here, a library file. So make sure that you are connected to the internet prior you are using this library file, or else it will create an error. So div class m-4. So for the post we have here welcome.php, another file here that which I will explain later on. So in this line of code we are asking the user to give the username. So div class, this one should be mb3. okay, so in this line of code we are asking the user to first name, this one is for the last name, and then this one is for the email, and then the password. Now take note here, the values that is being sent to our welcome.php is the name tag here, username. Okay, this name, first name, name tag last name, name tag email, and then name tag password. When we click the submit button here, all the values that is being written should be sent into welcome.php. Now in the welcome.php here, again we are using the library file of CDN bootstrap. So in the body, very simple, username echo $post to display whatever value it is, first name, last name, email, and password here. Okay, so let us run our program so that you have an idea what is the output. Okay, so let's say for example username, let's say Albert Tan. Username will be Albert _ Tan 1998. okay, just for example, first name Albert, tab Tan, email Albert _tan @yahoo.com, password let's say admin, just for example. When I click the submit button, all the values, the username here, the first name, the last name, email, and then including the password will be sent to another page. Let us click the submit button. Okay, so as we can see, we have here the username Albert _ 1998, first name Albert, last name Tan, and then the email address of Albert _ Tan @yahoo.com, and then the password is admin. As easy as that. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to use bootstrap form and $post in PHP to capture input values from our user. As I said, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.